gentlemen, peaceful thrill seeker here with Ryan.
Hi!
We are on Florida's #1 coaster, undisputed, newly crowned champion of roller coasters, Iron Gwazi. Waited a long time for this, a long time. 206 feet, 91-degree drop. This is going to be spectacular. Enjoy it, guys. I'll see you on the other side. Oh, this is nice. Look at Tampa. Look at Shikra. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Iron Gwazi. Ryan, 2 thumbs up?
5 thumbs up! 10 thumbs up!
Ladies and gentlemen, Iron Gwazi. And look, we got Easter eggs on the side there from the old Gwazi. History in the making right here. Incredible ride, ladies and gentlemen. If you are in Florida,
I have waited
visit.
so long for this, and I will wait so much more!
You already went on.
I know!
But it's okay. If you're ever in Florida, come visit the newly crowned best coaster in Florida, Iron Gwazi. And we're out.